Howdy, folks. We're live at 10:57, and we are running a 6-winner mini for Lucas's Luke Jedi figure. Nice one at that. There he is. I got 29 spots. Again, top 6 win spots in the main. Gonna paste them in there. We got all 29, so we're good. Gotta roll the dice. Gotta get at least a 5. Snake eyes. Ooh, we're no good. No good there, folks. There we got an 11, which means we're in great shape to begin a Friday night battle. Here we go. Mark in the top spot for our first round. Andrew 2. Adam 3. Andrew again on top in round 4. Jay takes round 5. Andrew round 6. Adam 7. Kenneth takes round 8. And round 9. Troy in the top spot for our next to last round, round 10, with spot number 9. Bring us to the final round. Good luck, folks. Here we go, and our winners are Adam, Troy, Andrew, Mark, and Andrew. Congratulations, fellows. Here it is. IYDVVC is our verification code. There's our winners. As you can see here, I am done at 10:59 p.m. Blow. There it is. Again, here's our results. Congrats, fellas. See you around. Keep battling.